Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to hide images in Google Chrome. Let's start with the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Now click on three vertical dots in the top right corner and then click on settings. In the setting window on the left hand side, here you will find the option privacy and security. So click on this option. And now here click on site settings. Now scroll down and here under content section you will find the option images. So click on this option. So here under default behavior you will see two options. One is sites can show images and the other one is don't allow sites to show images. So now click on this option, don't allow sites to show images, and now click on new tab. And here in the search box you can write any website to open the web page. Just like I will open Daraz. So type Daraz, press enter and click on this option. So now you can see all the images are hidden. So guys, in this video we saw how to hide images in Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.